everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm thinking of doing a little bit more of a green look, I don't know, I haven't done green basically ever, and I have the new She's a Rainbow palette, so I was like, let's try and go out of my comfort zone and go for some green. I mean, why not? Let's get started.
First things first, I prime my face with my INC.Redible Good Day Jelly Spray Primer. Next, I filled in my eyebrows. Now I'm taking this pastel lime green from my She's a Rainbow palette from Colourpop and packing that all over my lid. Next, I'm taking this darker foresty green from my Colourpop Build Your Own palette and packing that on the outer and inner corner of my eye while leaving the center kind of free because we'll put glitter there a little bit later, but now we're just blending that out and making sure it looks nice. I also ended up taking some black just to darken it up a little more. And going in for the glitter, I took this one from Colourpop, which is a kind of dark green but still bright green glitter, if that makes sense. Kind of a gold hue. And we packed that in a center to make a halo eye. For the under eye, I just took the light lime green and the darker green that we had before in the matte colors and packed them on. Do it all again on your other eye. For mascara, I took my Thrive Cosmetics one because I really do like this stuff. For lipstick, I took this Hola Neon Velvet liquid lipstick in this kind of dark mauve color and put that on my lips because I believe it complements the green very well. Next, I took the Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer, highlight and put that on my cheeks and on my nose and on my lips and my forehead, everywhere I want to shine. There we have it, my green makeup look, because I decided that I hadn't done a green look in a while and I got some new colors, so I might as well play around with them. Right?
Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, as well as share the video with your friends or on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you want to share it, because it seriously helps me out when you do. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!